Hey everybody, it's the Ioniq guy here. I got a brief video for you today. So you may have seen my video on the April update that came out the end of last month. And last week or the end of the week before, Hyundai pulled the update from their website and we don't really know why. Some people heard that there were server updates going on. That didn't really make sense though, because all the other versions were available for other cars. To me, it sounds like they probably found a bug or something that needed to be squashed. So they pulled the update. Today is May 11th, 2022, and the update is finally available again. So the previous version number here was 220419, and today's update is 220504. So just coinciding with the month of May, I suppose. I can't see anything different in the system. If any of you have noticed any differences, let me know. I'm happy to see that Hyundai is at least taking care of software updates, and if they do see a bug or somebody reports a bug, they're taking it to heart and trying to make it right. So I guess that's a good thing. Hopefully we see more regular updates continue. But yeah, short video today. Just wanted to get that out there. For those of you who have already installed the April update, Hyundai suggests that you go ahead, download the May update, and install that. That'll make sure that you're current with updates on the car, and if there was a bug with the previous version, you now have the newest version without the bug. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't. There'll be a lot more Hyundai Ioniq 5 news in the future. All right, take care, everybody.